Well, looky, book connector. I hope everyone is doing fine and dandy as peppermint candy on this beautiful Saturday afternoon. This is not a question. This is just a reminder to let you all know not to forget. Tomorrow is another flip the script. Your questions, my answers. I look forward to seeing the questions you have for me on tomorrow. Also, guess what? We finally made it. We have reached 80 subscribers, Book Connectors. Yay us. We did it. And I just want to thank you, new subby. Thank you for joining the channel. Somebody heard me when I said the door is always open. Feel free to walk right on in here so you can be a part of the shenanigans that goes on as well. But once again, thank you so much for joining the channel. And this is all for this particular video. Once again, welcome, new subby. We're up to 80 subscribers. Maybe, just maybe, we may hit 90 by year's end. Earlier, a few weeks ago, I had said 100, but that might be doing a bit much. But if I can hit 90, then I'll know that the 100th subscriber will be probably in the next 8 months or so. I don't know. I'm just guessing out loud now. But anyway, thanks again for joining. And all subscribers, thank you for being subscribed. Thank you, visitors, for viewing the channel. And everyone, please do not forget to like. I got to go back and check my video from earlier. But please do not forget to like, share, question, or comment respectfully, and make sure that your notification bells are not only turned on but set to all, so you'll know every time I drop another gem on you. And then in the meantime, Book Connectors, remember this: as long as there are books around, there is always something to read. And until we read and or connect again, please remember to be safe out there. Be careful. Enjoy yourselves. Enjoy each other. Enjoy your weekend. Take care. And God bless. Thanks for being subscribed.